Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. In this video, with the judgment given by the Honorable High Court of Delhi, I am sure everybody will be clear regarding the powers of the police to summon a witness under section 160 CRPC. To sum up, the police officer, the investigating officer, can summon a person under 160, a person who is residing within his jurisdiction or within the jurisdiction of the adjoining police station. That's all. Not to a person residing elsewhere. Here it so happened that Delhi police summoned the person staying in Jammu and Kashmir. Now, while crashing the FIR under section 482 CRPC, in the case of Delhi, Jamshed Adil Khan and another versus Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir and another in WP number 1976 by 2022 on 6th July 2022. Delhi High Court Judge Madam Poonam A. Bamba, she held that as per section 160 CRPC, an investigating officer cannot summon a person situated outside the PS jurisdiction. Right? So first let us see the contents of the 160, section 160. 160 says it deals with the powers of the police, right, to require attendance of witnesses. Any police officer making investigation, that means above the rank of head constable, or he can summon a person by order in writing, so to be present before himself, who is residing within the limits of his own or any adjoining station, right, who appears to be acquainted with the facts and circumstances of the case, and the person has to attend. So this is exceptions are also there. A person below 15 years can never be called to the police station. Above 65 years can never be called to the police station. A woman cannot be called to the police station. A physically challenged person cannot be called to the police station. And in all possibility, they have to pay the charges for the so-called persons who are summoned. So this is the law. This is as per 160 CRPC. Now we'll know as to what happened, right? The plaintiff, that is Adil Khan or Jamshed Adil Khan, he is an investigative journalist. Actually, during the year 2021, during the period of pandemic, he published a report or investigative report about the adoption of COVID orphans, adoption of children who became orphans during the COVID-19 for a ransom or for a price. Now, the heading of this, the pandemic ruthless toll, the pandemic's ruthless toll. COVID-19, that children, they are up for sale. The orphans are up for sale. This is the heading. So definitely this has got sensation. Even the National Commission for Women, the Women Commission of Jammu and Kashmir. So they have asked for a report on the matter. Actually, they have given a complaint to the police. So the SDPO Pampore, PAMPORE, maybe in Jammu and Kashmir, I believe. So they have registered a case under FIR number 153 by 2021 under sections 370 of the Indian Penal Code, that is human trafficking. Then 120B conspiracy and also section 81 of the Juvenile Justice Act. Three sections are here. 370, that is normally we hear book persons under 370 who are forcing the woman into human trafficking. This is for prostitution. There for sale, the orphans for sale. Yes, 370 of the Indian Penal. 120B conspiracy, 81 JJ Act, all these things you know very well. And in this case, actually, since this Jamshed Ali Khan and another, they are in Noida. The SDPO of Kashmir, they have sent a notice to the so-called news editor and other persons like the plaintiff to submit or to disclose the video footage which was published in the news on 30/11/2021. And the details of the sting operation they asked. So he has sent a notice under section 91 CRPC. Yes, 91 CRPC. Yes, the police officer can seek information to production of the documents. And he also issued a notice under section 160 CRPC directing the plaintiff, that is Jamshed Adil Khan and others, to attend his office within 2 days. So his office is located in Jammu and Kashmir. These people are staying in Noida. No doubt they might have gone to Kashmir, they might have done the so-called sting operation or whatever it is. So now the point is, they have approached the Honorable High Court of Delhi by filing a writ petition stating that they cannot be called to Kashmir as per the section 160 CRPC. Notice can be issued to whom under 160? The persons residing in the PS limits or the persons residing in the adjoining PS, but they are staying elsewhere. Kashmir is at place, these people are in Noida, that is nearer to Delhi. No doubt. As regards 91, they do not have any objection, they will submit the document. But as regards presence, so it's not correct as per 160. Now you hear the contention of the other side, that is the police. Police say nothing stops the investigating agency from requiring the attendance of a person acquainted with the facts and circumstances. Police think that they can summon any person from any place. No doubt, in other areas they have got the power. But as far as 160 is concerned, they have to summon the persons only in the area or in the neighboring area only. Right? Now, the High Court, Madam Poonam A. Bamba, she has discussed regarding section 160 CRPC. So clearly stated that the investigating officer can issue summons to the persons within his PS jurisdiction. So here, as regards the interpretation, she has clearly stated that there is no ambiguity. Please remember, it is clearly written that the person residing in his PS or in the adjoining PS. If the intention of the legislation is that the police can call any person from anywhere in India, they would have mentioned it there itself. When the language is very clear, you are not supposed to interpret in the other way. As per the famous case law, A.R. Antule versus S.R. Naik, already told you. So, to sum up, I want to tell you that the police can issue summons to persons residing in their PS limits or in the adjoining PS limits only. Adjoining means there may be some 4 to 5 police stations. Suppose if you think that Andhra is bordered by one side Telangana, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, so many, and Maharashtra. So likewise, a part of Maharashtra, of course, in combined Telangana. Previously, I am talking about combined Andhra Pradesh. Now, once Telangana has gone, Maharashtra will not come. So this is the situation. Even though you have got 10 bordering police stations, yes, definitely you call them, but you cannot call them from a long distance. This is what the police have to learn, and this is, as advocates, we have to keep it in mind when your client is called from other police station area. Okay, thank you very much.